Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove and replace the front hood on a 2006 Chevy Impala. This video applies to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2016. Now this is a two-man job just because this is not aluminum hood and it's actually quite heavy. So it's always a good idea to have somebody holding it for you on one side while you are unscrewing the other side. Okay, the first thing to do would be to remove this hydraulic front hood holder. Now before you do that, what I like to do, just pretty much try to support the hood with something so it doesn't drop on you, but like I said, have somebody holding it for you. If you have somebody, then you won't have to do this. Okay, to remove the hood support, you can get like a flat screwdriver. You will see there is this metal ring here which you have to remove, so just have to pretty much pry it out. Okay. Okay, I dropped it, but I'll find it, no problem. And once you have this metal ring out, you can pretty much just pull this this holder off. But like I said, make sure that your hood is supported once you do that. Next thing to do is to remove the two 13mm screws on each side. So one here, and you'll see the same ones on the other side. I'll just try to zoom it in. You can see them, two of those, and that's everything pretty much holding your front hood. Once you remove those, you'll be able to install your new hood. Now just be careful. Why I said somebody is supposed to hold the hood, you don't want to bend these hinges. If you do bend them, your new hood won't align nicely, and then you'll have to replace these hinges as well. That's the main reason why somebody has to hold it, so it's always in the same position while you are removing those screws. So it's even a good idea that somebody else removes the other side at the same time you do this side, and then that way you'll make sure the hinges are good. And these are your screws. So when you are installing the new hood, what you can do, once you have the new hood in, you can always try to align it just by putting the screws pretty much on the same spots like they were based on these markings, and that should help you to align it. Now it might take some playing left and right, up and down to have it sit perfectly between both fenders, but that's how these things work. Also, what you can do to adjust the height of the hood, you can use these pins here. So if you unscrew it towards the left, then your hood will sit a bit higher. If you screw it in a bit, then it's gonna sit a bit lower. You have the same pin on the other side. So pretty much you adjust the height of the hood on these pins, and pretty much left and right position by these screws when you put them in. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.